You have to see this.
I heard there was a giant flood, but we were washed in Jesus' blood. And you don't really care for my news, do ya? On July the 4th, 2025, the water rose and we went adrift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Our faith was strong, you showed us love like only God from up above. Your prayers and hugs and love overwhelmed us. We cried, we prayed, we did our share. You clothed us, fed us, brushed our hair, and from our lips we drew the hallelujah. You say the water overcame, but I will never forget their names. No blame, no fault, so really what's it to ya? We are a part of Mystic Hurt. We spread His light, His love, His word. The holy and the broken, hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. We did our best, we left a mark, a light that shines within the dark. I told His truth, I didn't have to fool ya. And even though it wasn't long, we stand before the Lord of songs with nothing on our tongues but hallelujah.
Our thoughts and prayers are with those who are affected. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more content.